Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Word open. Start by deciding whether the whole document or only specific pages should be horizontal. Once done, save a copy so you can revert if needed. Now, place your cursor at the start of the page you want to rotate. Go to Layout to prepare for section breaks. This isolates the page so changes won't affect the rest. Make sure you understand the difference between a section break and a page break before moving on. You'll insert a section break to contain the horizontal layout. Put the cursor where the new page should start and choose Layout Breaks Next Page. Once the section exists, select Layout Orientation Landscape. Make sure the dialog says Apply to this section. If the change flips multiple pages, check for missing section breaks. You can repeat the same process at the end of the area to return to Portrait. That final break restores the original layout without altering other content. Finish by inserting another section break after the landscape page, so following pages revert to Portrait. You may need to unlink headers and footers between sections if numbering or text shifts. Go to Header Link to Previous to toggle it off. If layout behaves oddly, enable formatting marks to reveal hidden breaks and adjust them. If printing margins look wrong, check Page Setup Margins for that section. Once satisfied, save the file and preview before sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.